What's going on YouTube? I am Highway to Hill and this is my helmet, the AGV K3 SV, and this is the Valentino Rossi 5 Continents helmet. A very special replica because I'm a VR46 fan, and then this is the helmet that he used. I mean, not this one, but obviously the original one that he used. This is the replica. This was his winning design for 2009 and 2010. So I got this helmet in 2019, so it's been like 5 years now. As you can see, it's quite battered, a lot of scratches. I've dropped it quite a times. It's been in a couple of crashes, and as you can see, the visor is also missing because my visor is broken. I don't have a visor and I can't use this helmet anymore. The visor isn't available anywhere. I have checked. So there was a store in Chennai, AGV and Diony's store, but that shut down I think 8-10 months ago. And all the other bike accessory helmet shops and riding gear shops, all these guys that I follow on Instagram, maybe like 100 of them, I've checked with most of them and nobody has a visor. And also the visor is pretty expensive. Yes, this is AGV, so the visor is like $7,000, and then if you want to add pin lock, which I had on my visor, the pin lock is again 3,500 rupees. So if I have to now attach a visor with pin lock on this, it'll cost me 10,000 rupees. And I thought might as and still and because the visor is not available, I thought might as well get a new helmet, and that's what I did. So I went ahead and got the MT Thunder 4 SV. So my main requirement was that it should have a sun visor. It's absolutely necessary for me. For the amount of touring I do, I mean, for me the sun visor is a must. So in this video, I just got this, I purchased this and I just got back home, and I'm making this video, so I still haven't used this one. But if you are subscribed to my channel and you see the kind of reviews that I do reviews of products at every step. So this is just unboxing, and I'll discuss all the features of this helmet, pricing, etc. And then once I ride with it, I'll get you the first impressions. When I tour with it, I'll give you my touring impressions and so on. So I'll cover everything end to end. Now so this is Thunder 4. So I was looking at Thunder 4, Thunder 3, and there was MT Blade as well. These are the ones that have sun visor, others don't. You also had Axis helmets, and there was another one brand which I don't know, I forgot the name, starting with K, and I got this from Power Sports. Now this is ECE, as you can see, 22.06 certified. So I think since 2022, I think 22.06 is the highest European safety standard that you can get, and yes, this helmet has it, right? So yes, no compromise on safety. This is a size small, and it's quite a tight, snug for me right now when I tried it in the showroom, but I think that will slowly wear off and it will become just the right amount of snug that you want. So this is 55-56, and it's 1550 grams, so 1.5 kgs. It also has your ISI sticker over here, but I think this will just peel off. Yeah, I don't think this is with the graphic. It's just like added on top, which can I think easily peel off. Anyway, it'll stay as long as it stays. Okay, next feature, yes, this mechanism over here. So all you need to do is just press this button and press this button over here, and your visor will come off. And the visor is, I'm just so impressed. It's so sturdy, and the build quality is just fantastic. I think it's even better than the visor that I had on my AGV. This is really good visor. Yeah, and you also have a visor lock system over here, so accidentally, it will not open up accidentally, right? You have one vent over here, right? This is one vent over here, and there's another vent here on top. the mechanism is here. It's very easy to operate. When you have gloves and everything, I think this will be much easy to operate. And you see this Allen key screws over here. There's one over here, one over here. So if this mechanism breaks or damages, something happens, this piece can be replaced. Where are the other vents? Yeah, the other vents are here. You can see 2 over here and other 2 over here. So I think air flows here and comes out of here. And you see this rear spoiler over here. Again, you see this Allen key screws over here. I'm not sure if this Allen key, can this be removed? I'm not sure. I think this can be removed as well. Let's say if this gets damaged, you can unscrew this and remove this. I'm just guessing. I know this one can be removed, but probably I'm not sure about this one. I think this one can be removed as well. And then obviously sun visor is what I need, and for that you have mechanism here. So this is on your left hand side. You have this, it's like a slider. I don't know, not the best one. I have to use it. I have to put on my glove and then use it and see while I'm riding how easy or difficult it is. So I'll bring that review to you when I do that. And then you have this sun visor, UV protection, fast dark mode. Yeah, so it will change to dark, anti-scratch, impact resistance, all of that. Quite big. I mean, the sales guy who was selling this to me, he kept on saying this is very wide field of view, very wide field of view. I wore this and I tried it on at the showroom, but then I mean, you can't tell anything at the showroom unless you put this on, go out and ride on the road, and when traffic is coming and you move your head around, and I think only then you will know if this is really a wide field of view. What else? I think I've discovered everything that's here on the outside. Okay, now let's go here. So the guy said there's also a communication, if you want to put your communication system here, there is a space here as well. You could do that. And this is your wind deflector over here, and then the empty helmets, the brand printing over here. This reflects light, so this and this reflects light. Let me see if I can, not sure if it's reflecting right now. Let me put on my flash. Can you see it? Yeah, so that's that reflective material, pretty good. Your quick release system is over here, these 2 straps, the red ones. And then this is a ratchet system, guys. This is not a D-ring system, ratchet system. And so I've used D-ring systems and I've used ratchet systems. I've had crashes on both D-ring systems and ratchet systems, and both haven't failed. So I'm completely okay with this. For some of them, this could be a deal breaker. People want D-ring, so yeah, then you probably have to look at another model from MT. But I've already used this on AGV and I never had any issues. So yeah, this is good. And obviously here you have your inner padding, which is obviously washable, removable. If you want to replace it, you can replace it. So I think that's about it. Am I missing something? No, I think I've covered it all. The graphic, yeah, I wanted something which is like a solid color, like a black or a blue, or even white. I don't know, I don't care. Or like a fluoro, or maybe could have been just gray. I think they have a gray, but it's not available in India for some reason. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of these graphics. I would have just loved a solid color. But yeah, this is what they had, and I don't have a helmet right now. I can't ride. I don't have a helmet, so I just got this. I just completely compromise on this graphic. I don't hate it, but I don't like it either, so I'm just completely neutral on this. What else? Yeah, so when I put on this helmet in the showroom, I don't like the shape, because I'm like so used to the AGV shape, right, which is so aerodynamic, and it's like a very it's pointed and it looks sharp, right? This looks like just like a balloon. And when I put this on in the showroom and looked at myself, I, those wobble head which who has like a big head and the head wobbles, I just look like that. I already have a pretty lean body, and then this circular round thing, I just look like a bobblehead. So yeah, looks wise and graphic wise, I don't like it too much, but anyway, I think what matters is safety, and yes, it's got that. So you have ECE, you have your dot, and the ISI as well. So yes guys, my AGV, I mean, I'm retiring that helmet, and it's already been 5 years. I've dropped it quite a lot of times, a lot of scratches and whatnot. So I think I'll still get a visor. I don't know whenever it's available. Whoever gets me a visor, I'll probably still get a visor, attach it, and then I'll just retire it. I think that's a very special helmet for me. So I'll keep it, and it'll be like a collector's item. So this is this is going to be my new lid over the next few years. Really looking forward. I think I'll take it for a ride after this, and let's see how this behaves. Alright guys, let me know what you think. I'll bring more updates on this helmet. Until then, I am Highway to Hill signing off. You ride safe. Ciao.